So this is the second part of the tree diagrams video. This should be a bit quicker now that we've done one example. This is just to consolidate the first example. This example is a little bit different because we're going to do a similar problem, but we are not going to replace the beads. Okay, so I have 6 silver coins, we're going to use coins in this one, and 4 gold coins in a bag. I take a coin from the bag. I do not replace it, so I don't replace the coins between the picks. So that should really say I take 2 coins from the bag. So if you could just change that on your notes. So I take 2 coins. 2 coins from the bag. I do not replace the coins between picks. So we're going to do a tree diagram to represent this. So if you're happy with the tree diagram from the previous question, you should pause the video now and see if you can fill out all the possible branches of the tree diagram. Okay, so looking at the tree diagram, we have the first pick. The first pick, the options are we pick a gold coin or a silver coin. The probability of picking a gold coin for the first pick would have been 4 out of 10. The probability of picking silver would have been 6 out of 10. Okay, for the second pick. So once we've picked the gold coin in the first instance, the next probability is going to be, or the next possible outcome after we've picked a gold, we could have picked a gold, or we could have picked a silver. Okay, now think about this. We haven't replaced the coins. Okay, so in the bag at the moment, there is 1 gold coin missing, which means there are only 9 coins available. Of those 9 coins, 3 of them are gold. So on the second pick, the probability of picking a gold coin is now 3/9. Okay? There are only 9 coins in the bag and 3 of them are gold. Pause the video now if you're happy with that, and write down the probability for picking a silver on the second pick, having picked a gold. So the probability is, well, there are 9 coins available and 6 are silver, so it's 6/9. Okay, let's look at the bottom set of branches. So if we picked a silver for the first pick, then the options for the second pick, we could pick a gold or we could pick a silver. If we'd picked a silver to start with, that means there are now 9 coins in the bag and 4 of them will be gold. So this probability is 4/9. Pause the video now to work out the final probability. So there are only 9 coins in the bag and now 5 of them are silver, so it's 5/9 here. If we fill out the probabilities as we did in the previous question, so the probability on the top branch would be a probability of gold and then gold, which is 4/10 times by 3/9, which would be 12/90. This branch is probability of gold and silver. Pause the video now to work out the probability. This should be 4/10 times by 6/9. 24/90. Remember, we're multiplying along branches. So probability of silver and then gold, multiply along branches, you get 6/10 times by 4/9, giving you 24/90. And finally, multiply along branches for the probability of silver and then silver to give you 6/10 times by 5/9, or 30/90. If you were to add all these probabilities up, you would again get they would add up to 1. Continuing. This question we could answer using the tree diagram. So what is the probability of picking at least 1 silver coin? Okay? So there are 2 ways I'm going to explain to do this. So probability of picking at least 1 silver coin. So you should maybe pause the video and try and answer this. So at least 1 silver coin. So we could have got the probability of picking 2 silver coins. Or the probability of picking a silver coin and then a gold coin. And finally, the probability of picking a gold coin and then a silver coin. These are the 3 options. Okay? So we just look at our tree diagram. We've already worked out all these probabilities. So we have the probability of silver was 30/90. The probability of silver gold was 24/90. The probability of gold silver was 24/90. And so if we add those probabilities up, we get 78/90. Which you could simplify to 39/45. And you could then simplify that again, possibly to 13/15. Okay, That's the simplest form there. There's a second option though. You might have done this if you'd paused the video. So the probability of getting at least one silver coin is the probability of not getting 2 gold coins. So the probability of getting at least one silver coin is the probability of not getting 2 gold coins. Okay? So this, the probability of not getting 2 gold coins, is 1 take away the probability of getting 2 gold coins. The probability of getting 2 gold coins was 12/90ths. So that means 1 take away 12/90ths is 90/90ths take away 12/90ths, which is 78/90ths. And that's the same answer we got in the previous method. Okay? So that's another way to answer the same question. So hopefully you can see that the tree diagrams are a good way to represent events that happen one after the other. In this case, just picking out coins or beads from a bag. We'll do some practice of these in lessons. Thank you for watching.